name is Isco, your ICT skills trainer. For today's tutorial, I will be introducing to you the student portal as a medium for online admission. The student portal is being utilized for online admission, enrollment, viewing of grades, among others. Before we begin, please make sure you have the hard copy of the following: ID picture with white background, birth certificate, Form 138, Good Moral Certificate, and MCAT result. Other degree programs may require you additional documents. Your first step is to scan all the requirements. The scanned copy will be uploaded into the portal. Next, visit the student portal using a browser. For you to do that, make sure you have a computer or mobile device and internet connection. I recommend that you use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browsers for better compatibility of the portal. Type the link of the student portal and hit enter. This is the student portal login page. You will be needing your username and password provided in your MCAT account to enter the student portal. If you forgot your password, go to mcat.mmsu.edu.ph, click Forgot Password link and enter your email address used in your MCAT application. Check your email and follow the instructions provided in resetting your password. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. You will be redirected to the home page of the admission site. The home page shows your name, status, MCAT score, and the requirements for admission. Your application starts with uploading all of the requirements indicated. To upload the requirements, navigate on the menu on left panel of the portal. ID picture with white background. To upload your ID picture, click on your profile picture on the upper left corner of the page. A prompt will be shown. Click on Choose File, select Picture, and click Open. You can edit your image by cropping and rotating it. Make sure that picture is in the visible area or inside the rectangle. Once done, click the Upload button. Personal Data Sheet. Before you can update your PDS, answer the short survey first. Next, click on the Update/Edit PDS button to update your PDS. Enter the required details and make sure that your personal information match to your birth certificate and high school credentials. To save the entered details, scroll down and click the Save button. Birth certificate, Form 138, and CGMRC. To upload these documents, navigate on the corresponding page. Click Choose Files, select a file, click Open, and click Upload. You can edit the uploaded file using the Edit button beside the Upload button. Health history. Take the short survey for the personal health history. Once done, click Next and click Save. Congratulations, you are now ready to apply to your chosen degree. To apply, go to Home page, scroll down, and select a degree you want to apply from the drop-down menu. Check the MMSU Data Privacy Consent box and click Submit Application. Hooray! Your application has been sent to the department and subject for review. Please check your email for the notification status of your application. Note that you can also cancel your application. Please be reminded that the original copies of the said documents will be submitted on or after the enrollment.